Alright, so this is going to be a review of the old Home Depot Genie Pro Screwdriver garage door openers. Comes with the one-piece rail. I forgot the homeowner, you got the cut rail, but the Pro versions come with the one-piece rail. Has the screwdriver carriage. It's very easy to lock and unlock. Has the two open and close limit switches. You get the coating for remote controls. It's on an 8-foot tall door. Has the two photo eye safety sensors. And also you got the push button wall mounts. You just push it. There it goes. And we'll open it back up. Pretty noisy for a Genie screwdriver. And also you got the release cord, like I said, in case your power goes out. It's very easy to reconnect. You gotta have a balanced door. And also you got the remote controls. Works just great. Photo eye sensors. Just awesome. Alright, that's the Genie screwdriver.